Good day, students. We are starting today with the sine formula. The sine formula is taken from a theorem which states that there is only one circle that can be drawn to touch the vertices of a triangle. This of the triangle ABC. There is only one circle that can be drawn to touch the vertices of a triangle ABC in such a way that small a over sine A is equal to small b over sine B is equal to small c over sine C is equal to 2r or diameter, equal to diameter. Now let's take it. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Take it as triangle A, B, and C. Then this triangle now, this is angle C. So the side that is opposite to this angle C, we call it small c. Also, this is angle B. The side that is opposite angle B, we call it small b. Similarly, this is angle A. The side that is opposite angle A, we call it small a. So we now say that small a over sine A is equal to small b over sine B is also equal to small c over sine C, and that there is only one circle that passes through. This is circle now. Circle is passing through the vertices of that this one is a circle. There is only one circle that can be drawn to touch all the vertices of a triangle in such a way that the ratio will now go the way that small a over sine A is equal to small b over sine B is equal to small c over sine C equal to 2r. Now, this circle we have drawn so far is called second center circle. Second center circle. So, the second center circle has a center. This center now. Now, call it O. Then, from O to C, and from O to B, and from O to A. This one is R, that's radius. So we are saying that all this one are equal to 2r. That is twice the radius now. So if we can extend OC, if we can send CO to D, therefore CD becomes the diameter of the circle now, of the second center circle, and therefore CD becomes 2r because CO is R and OD is also R. That's why we have 2R. because diameter is twice diameter. Diameter is twice radius. Okay, so this is what we mean. Now, suppose I now say let this angle A be 40 degrees, and then let us call A here. Let us call here 10 centimeter. So then I now ask you to find what is R. What is R? So here we cannot use this formula now. Then we can say 10. We using A now. A over sine A. So A over sine A equal to 2R, or B over sine B equal to 2R, or C over sine C equal to 2R. It's the same thing. Anyone, they will give you one of the variables, and you'll be asked to find the other. So in this case now, let's say we are giving angle A, that is the length of A, and angle A. We are giving angle A. Then we are now asked to find the radius of this second center circle. So use this one now. Therefore, 10. If A is 10 centimeter, so 10 over sine 40 degrees is equal to 2R. Therefore, but sine 40 degrees is equal to 0.6428. 0.6428. Therefore, 10 over 0.6428 is equal to 2R. Therefore, we have that is 2R over 1. This is also 2R. Therefore, by cross multiplication, they cannot say so 2R times 0.6428, this one is equal to 10. Therefore 2R is equal to 10 all over 0.6428. Therefore, R becomes let me click again. So R now is equal to 10 over 0.6428. Now this now becomes 10 over, you carry this decimal point to the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, you also add 4 zeros to the value of the numerator. So that's why we now say 1, 2, 3, 4. All over 6, 4, 2, 8. Now, then this now times, because we said 2R this one now. So R now will now become divided by 2. That's 1 over 2. Okay. So this one becomes 1 over 2. So this 2 here cancel this 10 to become 5. That's why it becomes 5 0 0 0 0 all over 6 4 2 8. So this now becomes is if you divide this one, it's just 8 approximately. Therefore, our R is equal to 8 centimeter approximately. So that is the value of our R. So this is make sure it is not all the time that you'll be asked to find R. They may ask you, as here is now 10 centimeter. Then here is angle 40 now. Now they may say that this and now find B. Find B. So if I to find B now, then we now know that from the formula we now say sine that's small a over sine A is equal to small b over sine B. Then it's equal to small c over sine C equal to 2r. Then our 2r now, our r is 8. So our 2r now becomes 16. So it now becomes 16 over 1. So we know that at 40, that is 10 over sine 40. So we can say that 10 over sine 40 is equal to then b over sine B. Suppose we are now asked to find B now. We have to find B, but we will still know the value of sine B. Okay. So from here now, we have known that our R is 8. Okay. So to find B, we still we can also say B using this formula. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. So let's say B now, let's say it's 50. Let's say it's 50. So we now say A over sine 40 is equal to B over sine 50. So 10 over sine 40. Sine 40 is 0.6428. Is equal to B. Our B over sine. We say that B here is 50 degrees. 50. So sine 50 degrees. So this now becomes 10 over 0.6428 is equal to B all over sine 50 is 0.7660. So this now becomes 0.6428 B by cross multiplication is equal to 10 times this, that is 7.660. Therefore, B is equal to 7.66 all over 0.6428. Now there's a law in mathematics. We say that if you want to make division, make the divisor a whole number. So by making this one a whole number now, we have to move decimal point 4 places from left to right. That is 2, 4 decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also do the same thing. with the numerator. So moving it from here to here, so it becomes 6, 4, 2, 8. So this now becomes 6, 4, 2, 8. Then we also move the numerator, also 4 places to 4 places. So 1, 2, so we add 0 to complete it. 0, 0. So it becomes 7, 6, 6, 0, 0. Okay. So with this one now, if we divide by, let's say by 4. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 6, 4 here, 0, 4 here, 7, 4 here, 1, then 4 here, 9, 4 here, 1, 5, 0. So this now becomes 11.9. So this one is just approximately 12 centimeter. So our B now becomes 12 centimeter. So this is how we can use the Sine formula to calculate some values in mathematics. Thank you for listening to our video. Remember to like and subscribe.